Mwega. Welcome back to Kikuyu Lessons. My name is Wanjiro, and today I am celebrating because we are at 1,200 subscribers and we are happy. So if you are new here, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you would like to learn this language, make sure you reach me through this email address. And I always say, if you like this video, make sure you share it. Today we are learning daily activities. What do you do every day? So stay tuned. This is also a very good way of teaching you verbs. I am going to also teach you how we would say them in simple present tenses. So we are very lucky because today you get to learn all that, and I'm so excited to teach you this. So the first one is waking up. To wake up is gokira. If you wanted to say that I wake up at 7 a.m., maybe every day you say jokeraga. Jokeraga da emwe siarusini. That is if you wake up at 7 o'clock. We use the Swahili version of time. So if it's 7 o'clock, ni saa moja. Number 2, we have to take a shower. I imagine everyone takes a shower after waking up. To take a shower, we say wedaba. Wedaba. If we wanted to say in simple present tense, we would say dedabaga. For example, I take a shower at 7:15. We are going to say dedabaga da emwe na dakika 15. What is common with the two verbs there? They all end with ga, dedabaga. Number 3 is to put on your clothes or to get dressed. To get dressed is gwekira guo. What do you think we're going to say that I put on clothes maybe at 7:25 if you take 10 minutes in the shower? Jikiraga guo da emwe na dakika 25. Jikiraga da emwe cia rucine. Dedabaga da emwe na dakika 15. Jikiraga guo da emwe na dakika 25. That is what I have just taught you. But there's also another way for you to say it very easily. So make sure you watch this video till the end to find out. Number 4 is to brush your teeth. Gokinya magego. Gokinya magego. So we are going to say de kinyaga magego. De kinyaga magego. You can say time or not. Yeah. If you comb your hair, is gosanura juire. You say janoraga juire. Janoraga juire yakwa. The next one is to have breakfast. Kunywa sai. That is if you take tea for breakfast. Sai is tea. But there is also another way to say that I have breakfast. So breakfast in general is korea irio cia rucini. Or here comes the Kikuyu word for having breakfast. Kwegagora. Kwegagora. So if you wanted to say kwegagora, we will say degarogara. Degaro. I hope you also try that at home. Please try that. Degagoraga. Degagoraga. Yeah. Or you could say deyaga irio cia rucini thaa emwe na dakika 45. That depends on what time do you gagora yourself. We have I go to work. To say I go to work is thiaga wira. Thiaga wira thaa cigana? Thaa igiri. If you go to school, you are going to say thiaga sukuru. Thiaga sukuru or dhukuru. This to arrive will be gokinya. Ha. I know, I said gokinya magego. Now we are talking about gokinya. I know, it's a bit confusing. But there's a difference because the gokinya has double I. But this one only has one I. Gokinya. So you will say ginyaga wera. Ginyaga wera da igere na dakika 15. Or ginyaga sukuru da igere. I'm sure a lot of students go to school at 7. I'm not sure because I feel like I used to arrive at 6:30 and I went to school in a village. But then in the morning, going to school, carrying a jerrycan of water, your bare feet, it's very cold and you have to be in school at 6:30. So what do you do after getting to work? You work. So to work is koruta wira. Maybe you want to say I work for 3 hours, ndutaga wira mathaa matatu. Or if you're in school, thomaga mathaa mana. And then what happens after that? Maybe you go to lunch. Having lunch is koria irio cia muthenya or cia miaraho. So we will say ndeaga irio cia miaraho, ndeaga irio cia miaraho, or ndeaga irio cia muthenya. And then to go back to work is gucoka wira, gucoka kirathi, if you're going back to class. So now we are at finishing work. Finish work, kurekia wira. So we will say ndekagia wira thaa 11. If you are talking about leaving work, you say nyumaga wira thaa 11, nyumaga sukuru thaa 11. That is to leave, kuma, or to get out. What do you do after leaving work or after leaving school? You go home. To go home, we always say koinuka or gusoka musie, because home in general we say musie. So you can say nyinokaga thaa 11 na nuthu, or jokaga musie thaa 11 na nuthu. So what do you do when you get home? For me, because I'm a woman, I know I would cook. So I will say dugaga, because to cook is koruga. So dugaga irio cia hwaine, dugaga irio cia hwaine. And then to eat, ndeaga irio cia hwaine. If you have dogs, maybe you feed the dogs, heaga gui irio, heaga gui irio. And if you have cats, then it will be heaga nyau irio. So you probably watch TV for news or a movie. To watch TV is korora TV or korora thenema. So you say doraga TV, doraga mohoro, doraga thenema. And if you're a student, you probably do your homework. So it is ndutaga wira wa sukuru, ndutaga wira wa sukuru. And then what do you do next? You go to sleep. Gomaga thaa 4 cia utuku, gomaga thaa 4 cia utuku. I sleep at 10 p.m. Imagine that's it. That is the daily routine. It's very simple, it's very easy. I hope you've enjoyed. But now I am going to tell you how we would simplify all these. Jokiraga thaa 1 cia rucini, ngaithamba, ngekira nguo or ngehumba nguo, ngakinya magego, ngaria irio cia rucini, ngathie wira kana ngathie cukuru, ngaruta wira kana ngathoma, ngaruta wira mathaa mana kana ngathoma mathaa mana, ngaria irio cia muthenya, ngacoka wira, ngarikia wira thaa 11 cia hwaini, ngainuka, nganyua cai, ngaruga irio cia hwaini, ngaria irio cia hwaini, ngerorera thenema kana ngerorera mauhoro, ngacoka ngakoma. So ngacoka can also mean and then. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time. And again, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. My name is wanjirumwaurar, and you can watch all my Kikuyu videos over here. Is it here? So, tonane, hidewege, tonane.